Oud and boot in Nanjing.
Oud and boot in Nanjing.
Oud and boot in Nanjing.
Oud and boot in Nanjing. So I'm here in Nanjing. We've got another oud and a boot lined up for today. You may be able to see behind me, it's a little hazy. The weather app says unhealthy air quality instead of saying like cloudy or rainy. I've never seen that before, so I'm a little worried. I feel like I should be wearing a SARS mask. Anyways, let's go explore. This area has a bunch of little cafeterias where you can walk in and pick out whatever you want. Let's go to the park now. Clearly parkour is not for me. There's really nothing up there, so it's not worth bringing the camera. Chilly out, so I put on some warmer clothes, and now I'll take you through a little tour of the touristy area of Nanjing. It'll just be a quick little tour, and then we'll wrap up the video. Prune Dish Buckle Pie. I laugh every time I pass that sign. I have no idea what Prune Dish Buckle Pie is. It's just fun to say. Prune Dish Buckle Pie, just like Grandma used to make. You know what? Let's go buy some. Let's figure out what this Prune Dish Buckle Pie is. Hey. Could I get a diga? Very interesting. It's sweet from the prune, but kind of savory as well from no idea what. Good work, Prune Dish Buckle Pie. So I walked away from the main area where I'm staying, the Confucius Temple area, to come to this Aqua City Mall. I was gonna do more footage of me just walking around, but I figured I'd kind of exhausted that style today. Let me know what you think in either the comments or just send me a direct message. This is a personal call out to the 10 family members and 4 friends who watch these movies. So I came to this mall the other night just to explore, and I snuck into this super exclusive club called Blue Whale. Well, that joke kind of died. This is the exclusive club called Blue Whale. There's this massive inflated whale on the top of this mall. Still kind of cool though. Let's see if we can see anything. Well, I think I'm gonna call it on the exploring there. I'm gonna head back to the hostel now. I only showed you a very small part of Nanjing. So if you're looking for cities to come visit when you're in China, Nanjing is definitely one that you should do. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.